Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Technically Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a hierarchical chart on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a hierarchy chart on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. For that first step, for just going to select some data. Here I have a total of 6 different data. So I'm just going to select this data first, then you want to use the option called element. Click this. Now here you just need to click on the charts, click on the see all option. Then you just need to scroll down, you can find option called hierarchy chart. Click on the see all option. Now here you can find a simple tree map, simple packed circles, and tree map and packed circles. I just go with the simple tree map. After clicking here, you can see it automatically changes to the groups. So you can just change the data of the groups. For an example, here group 1, group 2, and group 3. So you can just double tap here and you can just change. For an example, just going to change this group to as a 200. So it automatically update on the graph. And here you can just also choose the color of the graph for every groups you just needed. For an example, this I just going to choose it as a yellow color, and this can be changed, and everything can be easily customized and with the data. Just click on this and then you have to click on the edit option. So here you have the custom data option to enable the source and settings and the text. And this is how you just use this chart on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.